I'm here in downtown Tallahassee, where I spent the night coming from Destin, and I'm going to go to Orlando later on today, and I'm just showing a little bit of Tallahassee.
Oh, the day I break these chains, I'm bound for the life of the simple things.
That's the Capitol building here. I saw as well like a St. Louis mission. Maybe I'm gonna stop by and see it before I hit the road to Orlando and meet James. Welcome to Mission St. Louis. Let's check it out.
Your destination is on the right.
Workshops, archaeology, living history. It's raining. Well, it started raining a little bit. Oh, that's interesting. St. Louis was a principal village of the Apalachee Indians and home of one of their most powerful leaders, the land of the Apalachee. It was one of the most powerful and prosperous tribes in Florida. 5,000 Apalachee were baptized by two friars, Pedro Muñoz and Francisco Martinez. Oh, it's saying like the Apalachee lives. They used to live close to the areas near their fields and would come to the mission only on Saturday nights for prayers and Sunday Mass. That was the council house for the Apalachees. They had the ceremonial religious activities, including dances and rituals. That's really amazing. Oh, hi. Good. Oh, that's the council house?
It's the big council house, it's a meeting house. All these events around the exterior for travelers, and everyone would enter through a small door. And they would bow to our Apalachee chief. The seat, you see, he has the elevated seat. And a lot of political meetings, the council sits on either side of the chief. And the villagers, they would sit on these benches or the floor. Very accurate in scale, where you see each large post is where our archaeologists, they came in and they excavated and they discovered the original footprint. It's not documented, but we believe that because of their connection with nature, they may have kept the rain out with their fire. Small showers.
I believe.
Heavy rain would come in and douse the fire, but possibly the heat would travel upward, meet the moisture, and evaporate.
Yeah, and you are the Apalachees?
Yeah, I represent the Apalachees here, yeah.
Okay, but you have Apalachees?
I'm actually Cherokee.
Oh, you're Cherokee.
Yeah, my job is, this is my job to represent the Apalachees, so.
Oh, interesting. That is pretty amazing. The council for the Apalachees. Now, She said for me to see this Spaniard's house. I'm running because they close at 4 and it's almost 4. She said they have the huge church. Huge, you know, huge for them, but it's a nice church. That's a pretty nice mission. I'm pretty happy that I made here.
Yeah.
Good, and you?
Good. Welcome.
Oh, hi. That's the Spaniard's house?
Spanish house, part of the Spanish village, one of 8 houses here.
Okay. That's interesting.
And the sleeping area on this side.
Okay, and then
And then the eating and, I guess,
eating part?
eating and gathering area.
Oh, okay. And outside, they would cook
Outside.
outside?
The kitchen's outside.
Okay.
And you have the herb garden over here.
The herb garden. Oh, that's the house of the owner of the property. And she just told me that they closed everything. They closed the church already. But we're gonna see the blacksmith house and the fort.
I guess the only thing I could say, come back and visit us on Saturdays. We fire off muskets and cannons, as well as archery every Saturday, so you can come shoot bows and arrows.
Oh, cool. Thanks for letting us know
No
that.
problem.
That was the friar's daily life. And here the church.
Hey there guys, I'm really excited. So I just got off of work and I'm driving back down into Orlando to meet Catalina up at the 24-hour fitness. So she just got into Orlando and I'm pretty happy about this. It's gonna be so cool. I haven't seen her in so long, guys. So I just thought I'd give you a prelude to it. Talk to you a little later. I'm about ready to go into 24-hour fitness. And here's Catalina's car, guys. She's got it stuffed over here. I haven't even seen her yet. She doesn't know I'm here yet. She's over here in the 24-hour fitness. And she's just got her car packed over here. I'm pretty excited to get an opportunity to go in here, guys, and see her. So this is too cool. I'm so excited. I miss her so much. Alright guys, so I'm on my way out of the gym. Oh, there she is.
How are you?
It's just a much better. I love you, baby.
You have to show everything, amor. Everything. Who are you? I don't know even who you are no more. Are you James?
Yeah, I'm James. Say hi, Catalina.
Hi.
Let's go. Let's get out of here.
You're horrible.
I'm not horrible.
You got that.
Bye, guys. Here it is.
Oh, the one you are?
Yeah, come on.
That's the shark?
Yeah, come on in, baby.
Welcome home for some days. Huh?
Yeah, welcome home for some days, amor.
Sweet home.
Yeah. Home sweet home, baby.
Home sweet home.
For a little while. Right here is the bathroom. And there's some drawers. There's a closet.
Maybe I can put my thing here.
All right, amor. So make yourself at home. I'm gonna go and park the van and lock everything up in the gate. Okay, amor? So Catalina is here and she's in the RV. Catalina here didn't like the sheet I had on there, so she's putting a new sheet on. I got in trouble. No, I'm kidding. I didn't get in trouble. She just wanted to put a fresh sheet on, guys. Apparently, I'm not very tentative. Get out there, guys, connect with people, live your big story, and make sure you're doing something every single day to help reduce world suck. Peace, guys.